If you don't have a water meter at your property, you will receive a bill that doesn't charge you for the amount of water you've used. Instead, you get charged a fixed rate for the property. We call this an unmeasured supply. These bills usually arrive in February or March and tell you your water and sewerage charges for the 1st of April to the 31st of March the following year. The amount on your bill is payable by the 1st of April, unless you set up a payment plan with us. We have a range of payment methods listed on our website, www.dwrcymru.com, or you can watch our film, Show Me How to Pay My Bill. Here's an example of an unmeasured water bill. The date at the top refers to the period your charges cover. Your name and address and the address the bill relates to are also shown. Please let us know if these are not correct by using our online inquiry form. As your annual bill is printed in the middle of February, this is the balance of your bill on that date, and below it is the date from which the new charges will apply. The two charges show the amount we bill you for drinking water and for taking away your wastewater for treatment. If you pay by direct debit or monthly payment plan, that information will be there too. If you are interested in other ways to pay your Welsh water bill, please go to our website www.dwrcymru.com. This is a typical bill that we send out, but depending on your individual case, the layout may be slightly different. This shows the dates when your charges will apply. This is the name and address of the account holder. This is the address where the bills are sent. This is the address of the property being billed and for which the charges apply. These two charges show the amount we are charging you for having water and for us taking away your wastewater. These are your new charges from the 1st of April to the 31st of March. This lays out your monthly instalments. In this example, the customer is paying by direct debit, so the date the payment is taken along with the amount is shown. Your customer reference number is always displayed at the bottom of the bill. Please have this when you contact us, as we will ask for it. This box displays the total of this year's charges plus any amount carried forward from last year at the time the bill was printed in the middle of February. If you pay your bill in full by the 1st of April, you will have a 1.5% discount taken off your bill.